Save this video if you want to explore Sentosa Island Sky Helix Edition here in Singapore. Hi kay gala, another day, another gala na naman tayo at dito pa rin sa Singapore. Nga pala, bago ko ituloy ang video na ito at para naman makasave ka ng pera on your next Singapore trip and avail discounts on famous attractions here in Singapore, use my Klook discount code, Kahigala Klook, to avail up to 3 to 5% discount on your next Singapore adventure. Have you ever wanted to have a bird's eye view of Sentosa? You should try the trending Sky Helix Sentosa, the Singapore's highest open-air panoramic ride. O, diba? San ka pa? Sa umpisa, nagdadalawang isip akong sumakay. Hahaha. Kasi matatakutin talaga ako sa heights. Pero nung nasa taas na kami, OMG, sobrang ganda mo talaga. Singapore ka. Masarap ang hangin sa taas. Maganda ang view. Pero 5 lang kami nakasakay that time, ha? And we really enjoyed the ride kay Gala. Nga pala, may free complimentary drink sila binibigay para mas lalo mong ma-enjoy ang ride. As a first-timer, I find this ride extraordinary. And for me, it's 10 out of 10. Itong Sentosa Sky Helix ng Singapore. Truly another unforgettable moments you can share. Oh, ano na kahigala? Tara, mag-Singapore at use my discount code. Uy,